all over the place.
Oh, now he's in the other line.
Huh?
We started on the west shore and floated across the lake to the east shore. The temperature outside was in the 50s. The water temperature was in the 60s. The wind was blowing out of the southwest about 1 mile an hour, and we drifted about 0.5 miles an hour across the lake.
Now I think I got him away.
So of course we're going in circles. Takes a while now. It's not pretty good size.
Yeah, he's big enough that takes him long.
If I could just get him to go out the front of the boat this way, then it would pull the boat and it would get away from all the other lines.
He's okay now. Just decided. Swim right, swim left, swim right.
Okay, let's go straight now.
There he is.
Oh, that's pretty good size.
Decent size.
You'd like to see that net.
Net over the light, yeah.
Was that on the headpiece? Back?
Yeah, that was it. As I was dropping it back.
Wow.
Which maybe had nothing to do with anything.
All right. How far do you have down? About 20 feet?
Nah, not that far. About 15, I would say. 2 pole lengths.
Up here. Didn't that one too. Just all twisted up. There we go. Okay. That's a good size one. Flip that lid there for you. I bet that's over 20.
He's 35.
35, 18 pounds and 35 inches. 18 pounds, 35 inches. There you go. Did you get all over your drink?
No, that's I don't need to move that drink.
Once we got on the east side of the reservoir, we caught a couple things. Itty bitty.
Yeah, it's a little guy, little dink.
Dinky dinky doo.
Yeah, looks like a.
Maybe a channel. No, it's a blue. That's a blue.
Motor a little.
Okay. Oh, do you even need a net for that?
Yeah, I guess. It'd be a little easier than.
It's not that bad size.
No, it's not that bad. It's like the other ones. Just let it back out.
There's something hitting back here, or maybe that was just you pulling the pole.
Pull the pole up. A few pounds. A bank.
Yep. Looks like we got something on there.
Yeah. I guess so.
That's on the headpiece. See if I can get you. I'm going to give it some speed to try to keep us going straight forward, and you can get it through.
Try to get in between.
Yeah, try to go between the pylons.
It feels a little better.
Well, I'm moving us pretty good.
Long way out. Not fighting much though.
No, he's a big lunker. Yeah. Fishing for lunkers, as Mike would say.
Yeah.
Not like the other one.
It's not even,
They're a small one.
not even fighting at all. Not yet. Gotta get him up there by the boat. See it inside me. It's a little better. In the eye.
Oh. That's okay. It's just a flesh-eating amoeba.
Oops. Six.
It's 27. 27 incher. Now cover your T. There you go. That's
Splash
one way of
you.
dealing with it. That's one way of dealing with it.
Chargeable batteries. I gotta turn this thing off.
Well, we got. Ooh, that's a nice one. We got into a bluegill. We had a live bluegill on one. And now we caught something. It's a pretty good size one.
Pretty good size of something or other.
Something or other. It seemed to be. It was taking out some line. Yanking. Mark, I'm going to pull this one up. I think this is the last one.
I'm using a external microphone on
We're
this
getting close to 9 o'clock.
camera.
We're going to take
It
off at 9
appears to
o'clock.
be
I
doing
have
better job
I'm
than
getting
what I had
together
in the
with a
past.
buddy to have
Just
some
a
coffee here
microphone on the side
around
of the camera.
9:30 or 10.
Coming towards me, or he's still on there?
Ugh.
So,
Oh well.
well, I was hoping that when we called you because typically when we're calling you or if we're eating food or something, that's when we catch them.
Yeah, well, I'm.
So-
Hopefully we'll start.
Yes, I'm appreciative that you
we're talking to you because we got into a
But it's not doing anything this time. They got a lawn guy mowing the lawn across the street.
Ah. Well, we're going to let you go because we're trying to pull one in.
What's that?
We're pulling in a fish, so we're going to let you go.
Oh, you're pulling in a fish right now?
Yeah, that's why I said I was appreciative that you were talking to us because it seems like we always catch a fish when we call somebody or something.
Well,
so you're our luck charm this time.
Turning us in a
I
circle.
guess so.
Yeah, we're going in circles here.
He's pulling us around.
Oh, are you?
Yeah, it must be a pretty good sized one. We caught Mark caught a 18-pounder earlier.
Oh, it's taking you around?
Yes, it's pulling us just in circles. So I'm going to let you go. We'll talk to you later, okay?
Yeah. As I said, I'm talking to you on my wristwatch.
Oh, okay.
I'm trying to get this windows done before it gets too hot.
Okay. Well, I'll talk to you later.
Take care. Talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye.
This one's a little better.
This is a pretty good size one.
A little better.
A little bit more of a lunker.
Doesn't want to come up.
Let me do my duty. Get the net ready.
Down there a ways still.
Is it yanking? There's something going on over there. I see a bunch of stuff. Shad or something.
Yeah, I saw something popping over here too. Something chasing shad or something.
We are doing circles. Oh gosh, I can't have these rods in this box. I'll have to bring them up in here. He's out of the way.
Yes. There's bubbles. Lots of bubbles. Slide it out.
There we go.
Where we're at.
Pretty good sizer.
Haven't seen him. Just saw bubbles.
Yep, yanking her back down.
Seems like he's at least as big as the other one was.
Yeah, those teen to 20, anywhere from in the teens up to the mid-20s fight pretty good. Well, these rods seem to do a fine job. Oh, some big bubbles.
There's a lot of bubbles.
This usually means they're down relatively deep when they're what? We're in 31
More
foot.
bubbles.
More bubbles.
There he is.
Well, you see the back side. It's a pretty good
Oh,
size
yeah,
one.
He's a decent size. He's bigger than the other one, I think.
In the 20s, maybe.
Yeah.
Something over here, bopping around.
Here he comes.
Oh, swam away from it.
Yeah, he's definitely
Yeah, definitely. There you go. Oh gosh, yeah, he's much bigger. You got one. Yeah, he's definitely bigger. Can't get him in. Get in there.
The handle just gets caught
There you go.
on the back side.
Yeah, he's a big boy. That might be close to 30 pounds. All the way here.
Grab your net again.
Look at the net. I don't know what. Yeah. Okay. There you go. 39 and a half. 34 pounds, did we say? Or 35?
34.
Nice job.
That's it for now. See you later.